In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lower tow mirror glass on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located at the base of your tow mirrors. Let's get into it. The top mirror you want to adjust so it's all the way down. Then the lower mirror, we're just going to push the bottom down and pull the top part of it out. And then I'm just using a pick, and there's a couple clips. You would just want to get underneath the clips. As you pull the clips out, the mirror will come right off. Take the new mirror, get it lined up. And then you just want to push in the center until it clips in place. Don't push on the sides or you're going to break the glass. And you can adjust the mirror back where it was.